Curveball is a defense type swerve and a basic technique. You can use a curveball when there's some distance between your opponent's bay and yours, and your bay goes into an automated attack. Timing is important here, as you need to activate your defense type ability when your bay has moved the distance but before it collides with your opponent's bay. This will briefly slow down your bay and do one of two things. 1. Curve your trajectory away from your opponent. Or 2. Curve your trajectory towards the center, or sometimes both. It goes without saying that a full defense type ability meter is needed for this. That said, knowing when to activate your defense ability is up to you, as various stats and situations change the range. But here are some tips. A faster bay will do a faster curveball. This depends on customization for agility before a battle and how much stamina damage you've conceded during a round. If both bays are on the offensive during the automated attack or collision, the distance between the bays will shrink faster and there will be less time to curve. And the closer you are to the center of the stadium, the lesser your trajectory curves. And finally, the more you do this move, the better you get. The move can be used to bait your opponents, avoid collisions, and generally to stall for better play. Just like in this clip where I used a curveball to avoid my opponent's defense shield and go for a burst. The curveball is not only very useful, but it also looks very good. So show off and then share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more techniques and strategies. Goodbye and keep blading.